Hello, today I'm going to review Montana Crochet yarn, announce our collaboration, and a giveaway. Hey y'all, how are y'all doing today? First I'm going to talk about Montana Crochet yarn and do the yarn review, and then later on in the video I'll talk about our collaboration and then the giveaway. First off, I'm going to go back a little bit in time and I'm going to show you me unboxing Montana Crochet yarn. So say bye to the present and say hello to the past Alex. Hey future Alex, I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see the yarn. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Let's get it out of the plastic. But I can already see that it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at this yarn. It is so pretty and it is so squishy soft. Oh my goodness. It is just so gorgeous. I love these colors. It's like jewel tones of blues and greens, and then there's some yellows and light blues, and there's speckles throughout it all. It's very, very interesting and unique yarn, and I'm so excited I get to crochet with this.
The colorway is called Lake Abundance. It is 100% superwash merino. The weight is worsted. It is 100 grams, and that is 220 yards.
And I've got two, and they are just so pretty, and I love them. Thank you so much, Montana Crochets, for sending me this beautiful yarn, and I can't wait to crochet with it and show you the beautiful design that I've already thought up in my head and sketched out, and now I'm so ready to bring it to life with this beautiful yarn. Alright, let's go back to the future Alex. Bye-bye, past Alex. Now we're back in the present, and I'm going to talk about this yarn a little bit. The yarn that I got is Lake Abundance in the worsted weight category, and this yarn, y'all, it's just amazing. I have a little bit left over right here, and I'm just going to hold on to it and squish it because it is squishy, soft yarn, and the colors are so saturated and pretty. The whole time you crochet with it, or the whole time I crocheted with it, I was just a happy girl. It made me feel happy inside. Every stitch was just pleasant. It glides over my Furls Crochet hook just amazingly. So together it really was amazing to work with, and I had so much fun designing this hat that I'll be talking about here in a minute. And it just really was a pleasant experience and a happy experience working with Montana Crochet yarn. If you haven't yet, check out her Instagram, go see her shop, look at her beautiful, amazing colors. She is a very talented, wonderful yarn dyer as well as a crochet designer, and I just really love her work and I really love her yarn. So go give it a check, and I'll have that link below. So now to talk about our collaboration a little bit. I came up with a design and I sent the sketch to Ashley over at Montana Crochet, and we came up with the idea of using Lake Abundance for my design, and I really think that it turned out awesome. I love it so much, and without further ado, here is the Dandelion Beanie. And now I'm wearing my Dandelion Beanie. I love it so much in this Montana Crochet yarn. It's so squishy and soft and cozy and comfy.
Dandelion Beanie can be made with any medium 4 worsted weight yarn. It only takes 1 skein of Montana Crochet yarn. I will also have a full video tutorial very soon.
And if you want to make your own, the pattern came out today. It is a free pattern on my blog, or you can buy a PDF, and then you can head over to Montana Crochet's yarn shop, and she has pre-orders open to order a yarn set with this yarn so that you can make your own Dandelion Beanie just like mine. And I think that's a really neat thing, and I'll have that link below so you can go check out her yarn shop. So go pick out what yarn you want, comment below if you do order Montana Crochet yarn, and tell me which colorway you chose. and I really hope that y'all love this pattern. I've put a lot of work and effort into it. I was inspired by my friend April, who has been making knitted dandelion blankets, and I thought, wow, maybe I can sit down and come up with a crochet version. And I really surprised myself, and I think that it looks almost identical to the knitted dandelion stitch, and I'm just really happy with it, and I really hope that y'all love this pattern as much as I do. Please comment below and tell me your thoughts. Also, if you want to head on over to my Instagram, I will be starting a giveaway today to where you can win one skein of this yarn from Montana Crochet. Also, Furls Crochet has been so generous and kind to send the 2 hooks that it takes to make this hat, and they will be in the giveaway as well. They sent the size K in ebony, and they sent the size J in camwood, and these hooks are gorgeous, so they are in the giveaway, plus Montana Crochet yarn, and you'll also win the PDF pattern for my Dandelion Field Beanie. Like I said, it's a free pattern on my blog, but the PDF will not be for free, and you can win it in the giveaway. So head on over to my Instagram, I'll have that link below, and enter the giveaway. And I will flash on the screen when the giveaway will end. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day. If you loved this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Please comment below. I love seeing your comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. And if you want to, you can hit the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you won't miss it. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day. Until next time, bye!